how to enable or disable preloaded and downloaded stickers in keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and go down. Then tap on Suggest Stickers. Tap on the left hand side panel. Now tap on the preloaded and downloaded stickers. Just tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch this on. If you turn this on, your keyboard will be preloaded and it will have downloaded stickers ready for you to use. So this will essentially allow you to type faster and compose text much quicker. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.